Hello guys, this is Ryan. 19 years deep in the engineering game, double certified as a first-class constructor in China, with real hands-on experience both in municipal and building projects. I don't just sell used construction machinery. I know exactly what works on site. Same top-tier performance, but way less cost. Every piece we sell is fully tested, 100% reliable, and cost-effective. No hidden fees, no tricks. Need high-quality used machinery that won't break the bank? Just contact me. Let's save you big on your budget. Bye bye. 兄弟们，搞二手机联系我。